Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So there's a message I got from one of my students that the app was rejected on Play Store. So I want to share this error with you and the solution to it. Now look at the message that the person shared with me, that the app they tried to publish was rejected, and this person did not watch my YouTube video before uploading app. That's why it's advisable before uploading any app on Play Store currently. It's good you go to my YouTube channel and watch this video. If not, if you are just a newbie in this app development of a thing, you have an issue. I was surprised that one of my colleague in Android, one of my developer friend that we normally build apps together, although the guy is more experienced than I, but I noticed that when it comes to the Play Store of a thing, that I know more than him. So sometimes his app will get rejected on Play Store. He will contact me that he don't understand what is going on. He uploaded an app and Google rejected it, and he don't even understand what they are saying. So I will ask him to send it to me. I will check the app. I will download his app, check his app, go through his app. I will now go through the message and check what Google is saying, and I will fix it and ask him to re-upload it, and they will now approve the app. So it's not that I'm the best, but I want to tell you that there's something that you need to know about me. Whatever I do, I try my best to be good at it. So concerning this Play Store matter, if you have any issue with Google, you just comment below this video, this how to upload app to Play Store 223, and I'll resolve it. So this my student encountered this message that the app was rejected. And this is the message. Google will write a lot of things and give you a lot of message that you'll not even understand what it means. But I've been in this system and I understand anything Google is saying. I understand. When I entered newly, I don't normally understand their languages, their way of writing things, their way of passing messages. They say issue found, invalid data safety form. We review your app's data safety form in Play Console and found disruptive between it and how the app collect and share user data, or app required to blah blah blah. But the main thing there is that they say issue detail. We found an issue in the following area: split bundle for policy declaration, data safety section, device or other ID, split bundle for policy declaration data. So the guy did not understand what they are saying. So he was saying that it's a policy issue of a thing, that his privacy policy was rejected. I now asked the person to send me the message. Let me read it and see what Google is saying. So I noticed that it's not about, I checked the app is okay. The app can be uploaded to Play Store. The app has no issue. So, and when he forwarded the message to me, I noticed that the issue is just the device ID that you need to mark. Now look at from this video now that sorry for opening this tab. From this how to upload app to Play Store, this video now, if you watch, let me show you something. You can see that let me just skip this COVID-19 area so that we'll go to the data safety area. So you can see when you come to data safety, even if your app doesn't collect name, password, email or phone number, there's something that you still need to click. You need to come to this data safety form, click next, then you click yes. From the video that I uploaded, I'm trying to show you. So you click yes. Let's just wait. Let's wait a while. Let it click yes. When you click this yes, another checkbox will appear about more to will appear. So let me try to fast forward it. So when you click yes, other ones will also appear. You click yes, you come to this side and click yes. Now if you check, it says to all of the user data collected by your app encrypted in transit. What they are trying to say is that if you encrypted maybe the name, the username and the password in hash format at the back end, just click yes even though you don't encrypt it. So another one is that, do you provide a way for user to request that their data is deleted, you know, is the policy, it's a Play Store policy now that whenever you build an app, you should have a portion in your app that if your app is collecting data, the user can decide to delete his account whenever he or she likes. So even though you don't have such in your app, click yes, because if you don't click yes, your app might be delayed or might be rejected. So you just have to click yes, then you click next. So let's wait for it. Let me fast forward the video. So once you click next, you can see that all this information, if your app is collecting username and password or email, you check, you will now come to this personal info. If it is collecting from some financial information, you click financial information, or if there's a location Google map of a thing, you click this location. But if there is none, still, because you have come to this page, you must click something. And what you need to click now is, let me show you. Let's wait for it. If your data safety is not, if you don't have any of this, maybe your app doesn't require any of this information, maybe it doesn't require authentication for user to be authenticated before using your app. Like all these games are, most of the game, 90% of game on Play Store doesn't require user auth for you to play the game. Once you click on the game, you just go ahead and play. But there are apps that you need to register and log in before you use the app. So for that kind of app, you need to check if it is name, email, and address and phone number. You check it and answer some questions. So that is another video for another day. So let's see what is going to click here. So I decided to mute the video so that it will not distract us. So you come to the device or other ID. This is where you click. You can see that from this privacy policy, let me show you something. This privacy policy now, if you are writing your privacy policy, as far as your app doesn't require name, email, and password, you don't need to fill personal identifying information. You just leave it blank. But contact information is your email, then you enter the app name. This is just for the privacy policy. You should not be too concerned about this in this video, because in this video we expect that your privacy policy is already there. So we want to fix the reason why this guy, he didn't click the device ID. He just went ahead and published his app. So Google rejected it, that they need device ID. Why do they need device ID? Because the guy created a game, and the game, every game on Play Store, let me explain why Google is requesting for device ID. Google is requesting for device ID because whenever a user enter the game and decide to play, when the user is playing the game, if the user close the game, exit from the game, and come back, the game is going to take the user back to where the user ended, stop at level 12 or level 6. The game will return the user back to that level 6 or level 12. Why is it happening like that? Because there's what we call share preference in app development. That share preference is that whenever you entered your app, your information is stored in the app, in the cache data of your app. So if you go to your app information, your app info, and clear the cache, you have already cleared your level. If you come back, you start afresh. So now the app is using the device ID, is using the phone ID, identification number. So for that reason, you must click the device ID for almost once it is game, device ID is required. Whether you don't need login or no login, whether you need login or no login details, device ID you must click. So let's continue. So you come to the device ID and click. You don't need all this, so you don't need contacts, unless if it is all those banking apps and all those loaning apps. Those are the apps that need contact info. So we don't need all these things. So the thing that we need is just to come to the device ID and click the device ID. So for every app you are publishing on Play Store, I will advise you to click to check this device ID box. So once you check it, you click on next. Let me see how I can fast forward this video. So you now click on this point and click collected. Then the next thing, you click yes, data is processed ephemerally. Then data collected, user can choose whether data is collected. This point, you have to click this because a user that install your app has already decided that the device ID should be collected. So you will now click for app functionality. You check app functionality and click on next. So once this device ID, this advertising ID, you only to check it, but for this video we are not talking about advertising ID, so let's forget about that. So if Google rejected your app with this type of message, what you do is that you will go to app content. Look at, I have a link. I can share this link with you at the description so that you check it. You just go to the app content. Once Google rejected, you can see this message say that Google action require your app is not compliant with Google policy, Google Play policy. What is the solution? This is a Stack Overflow question that somebody asks. So now, before, Google used to just approve the app and write app content approved with issue, but now they reject it straight. So what you do is that if they rejected your app, according to the article, say go to Open Play Console, go to app content, data safety, manage data safety. So at the point of rejection, you now go to manage data, manage under data safety, manage. Then click overview next. Then what you do is that you now follow the instruction I showed you in that video. So that is how you manage to fix. So once you finish doing it, you can go to, once you finish doing this, what you do is that there's a place for all apps. I will advise you go to all apps and check whether Google has already set the app under review. If Google has not set the app under review, you go to publishing overview. You go to publishing overview and set your app and send your app for review. But if the app is already on review after doing this, don't send it on review again. If not, your Playstore account can be terminated immediately. So this is the solution to this kind of issue. So please subscribe to my channel. You can see this is my channel, Clever Developers. We are still growing. We need your help. We need your support. Please subscribe, share the video, and I will advise you before uploading app to Play Store, ensure you watch this how to upload apps to Play Store 223. Is very, very important. As time goes on, I'll be updating the video because Google used to make changes to Play Store regularly. So thank you for hanging around. I will see you next time.